If you ever wanted to create your own music but don't know how to produce songs, play instrument, or sing, Suno AI might be exactly what you're looking for. Suno is an AI music generator that can create complete songs from a simple text prompt. It can write lyrics, create melodies, generate vocals, and produce a finished song in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to use Suno, create your first AI song, and explore some of its best features. So let's get started. First, we will go to Suno website and create a free account. You can sign up with Google, Microsoft, or just your email. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard where all your songs will be saved. The interface is very clean and easy to use. You don't need any music experience because everything works with simple prompts. To create your first song, we will click on Create. You will see a prompt box where you will describe the type of music you want. For example, we will type an uplifting song about following your dreams with female vocals, emotional lyrics, piano, and energetic drums. Now click Generate. After a short wait, Suno creates two different versions of the song. Each version has its own melody, vocals, and music, so you can listen to both and choose your favorite. Now, one thing I really like is that every generation is different. Even if you use the same prompt again, you will get a new version with a different style and melody. Now let's look at the custom mode. If you want more control over your music, this is the option to use. Instead of letting the AI write the lyrics, you can write your own. Just paste your lyrics into the lyrics box. Next, add a style prompt, for example, cinematic pop, emotional female vocals, inspiring modern production, powerful chorus. Finally, give your song a title and click generate. Now Suno uses your own lyrics while creating original music around them. This is perfect if you're writing songs for YouTube, social media, or personal projects. Another useful feature is personas. You can save a music style or vocal style that you like and use it again in future songs. This helps keep your music more consistent across different projects. As you can see, Suno can create many different music styles, whether you want pop, rock, hip hop, country, EDM, lo-fi, orchestral music, jazz, or relaxing background music. The AI can generate it in just a few clicks. Another feature I like is the extend song. If your song is too short, you can continue it without starting over. The AI keeps the same style and adds more music naturally. You can also create new versions of your song if you want to hear different ideas or improve the final result. Of course, no AI tool is perfect. Sometimes you may need to generate a few versions before finding the one you really like, but because the process is so fast, it's easy to experiment with different ideas. So overall, I think Suno is one of the easiest AI music generators available today, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more AI tutorials and reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.